Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update the Zoom apps on your computer. So in here, I've already opened the Zoom Workplace apps on my computer. And to easily find if your Zoom needs to be updated, you can just open the Zoom, and here click on your photo at the top. Here, the top panel, click on your photo and you'll see there is this check for update. So you need to click on this, and now Zoom will be loaded. And here, if you need to be updated, there will be a question to ask you if you want to update the apps or not. But as you guys can see here that my Zoom is up to date, so I don't need to update the app, so you can just click on close it. But if you want to update, there will be an update shown in here. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.